It's my honor to join you today as we inaugurate the newly improved port of Tacbilaran and the 6 other newly improved seaports of Bohol. I commend the Department of Transportation and the Philippine Ports Authority under the leadership of Secretary Arthur Tugade for successfully completing these projects that mark another milestone under our Build program. Ni si Tugade, classmate me. Siya ng among valedictorian sa law school. Dili siya engineer, mas maayo din siya sa mga construction. Pero bilyonaryo na ni. He's a billionaire actually. The constructions and repairs done in these ports will allow Bohol to accommodate more people and goods from neighboring provinces and contribute much to the province's recovery from the pandemic. I am also confident that these ports will strengthen the capacity of Bohol as a catalyst of economic growth in Central Visayas. All these developments support this administration's vision to provide our people with improved mobility as well as other comfortable, productive, and dignified life for every Filipino.